complaint, Lord, saying that he is a trustee of one trust. That has got nothing. Azardu. And after 1 year, your lordships are aware, there are a lot of things happening in Bar Council. So as a fallout, Lord, this revision is filed after 1 year of dismissal.
All right, yes. Heard the learned counsel, learned senior counsel for the petitioner. The issue in the list relates to a revision preferred by the complainant before the Bar Council of India invoking section 48 of the Advocates Act. The learned senior counsel submits that the issue was projecting issue with regard to certain happenings in the Bar Council of India is projected to become the ingredients of the complaint before the Bar Council, State Bar Council, and in the revision before the Bar Council.
Submission, Your Lordship. This complaint filed by the complainant was against the petitioner. Serious allegations are there, Your Lordship.
He has withdrawn. Why are you worried?
No, Your Lordship, the
withdraw, even after withdrawal, you want to pursue it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Seriously?
Yes.
Anything else?
Your Lordship, the Bar Council of India is in the knowledge of the serious allegations of the misconduct.
Whatever, the revision itself is withdrawn and you want to project something else. So there is something behind the smoke screen.
Your Lordship, because Bar Council of India is in the knowledge and there's enough evidence, Your Lordship.
No problem.
Serious allegations
I will
are
record that also, madam. In a revision that has already been withdrawn by the revision petitioner, you want to project something else. So there is something more than what meets the eye.
Your Lordship, the allegations are serious.
No problem.
And it is in the knowledge of Bar Council of India.
If in knowledge of the Bar Council, you can act only on a particular petition.
It is.
Suo motu powers is there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then do it. We'll see. Yes.
It is a suo motu power, and under the suo motu powers.
Filed after 1 year.
May kindly allow, Your Lordship. I'll submit one judgment by Honorable Supreme Court.
Please, madam, give it.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Look at the interest there.
We have 1 minute. Yeah. I am going to write it now. 1 minute. Yes.
Please.
The Malafites of the Bar Council of India, we will see. Yes.
Petitioner can help.
What paragraph, madam?
Your Lordship, I will read from page number 5.
No, you can't read till the cows come back. You tell me the straight paragraph.
Your Lordship, page number 5 of the same judgment.
All right.
This judgment is.
Has brought to our notice that passed in suo motu contempt petition.
Yes,
right. Yes, madam.
That was a contempt petition in Madras High Court. Your Lordship, here the Honorable Supreme Court holds that, I'll just read it. This is the judgment. In view of the reasons aforesaid, we reject the argument that the Bar Council of India has no right to suspend practice pending disposal of disciplinary proceedings. This Madras High Court has held, and Supreme Court has put its official
Heel.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And also, Your Lordship, our answer to the question, we hold that the power of the Bar Council to revoke the license to practice permanently or suspend it for a fixed term would also include the incidental power to interim suspension pending disposal of disciplinary proceeding for professional misconduct. We have examined, the Supreme Court of India holds, Your Lordship, we have examined the judgment and would like to give our imprimatur to the legal view expressed in the judgment of Madras.
Correct.
Your Lordship, and in this matter, on 9th of September, the petitioner was served the suspension of his license for 6 months. On 10th of September, he has moved the court and also obtained a stay order.
So what?
Your Lordship,
we
were not served.
Not obtained. Oh, yeah, ex parte order is not permissible by this court.
Your Lordship,
Similarly. What similarly?
Similarly,
Don't
Bar
tell the
Council
court
of
has no
India-
power to grant ex parte orders.
Your Lordship, similarly, Bar Council of India has also placed the petitioner under interim suspension.
All right.
So interim suspension is within the powers of Bar Council of India.
Nobody
That
questions.
is what this matter, this Supreme Court's order says.
On what did you place him under interim suspension?
Your Lordship, serious
On what
allegations are there.
basis?
Serious allegations are there.
On what petition?
Third, Your
On
Lordship,
what petition?
on the revision petition, certainly.
That's
But
all.
since the misconduct is in the knowledge of Bar Council of India, Your Lordship, Bar Council of India has the
No
powers.
problem. You have enriched your knowledge. That's enough.
Your Lordship, Bar Council of India has the powers.
Do it, madam. If you have the power, do it. You can't do it in his petition.
Your Lordship,
Right.
on 3rd of September, 3/9/2024, General Council of Bar Council of India had a meeting, and we have
I am
served.
only asking on what did you pass the resolution?
We passed the
On
matter.
what did you pass?
Your Lordship, the matter was before the
On
revision
what did you
committee.
pass? A straight question, I expect a straight
Certainly,
answer.
certainly, on the revision petition filed by.
Anything else?
Your Lordship, since the matter is already the misconduct, Your
Anything
Lordship,
else,
the
madam?
Bar Council of India has to maintain.
Anything else? Yes. The petitioner, then I'll have now pass a detailed order. The petitioner is before this court, calling in question the entire proceedings of revision petition and consequently seeks quashment of a resolution dated 3/9/2024. The petitioner is by name Madidara. The petitioner is
Page 77, my lord, is annexure B.
the
Bar
petitioner,
Council
a
law.
senior advocate practicing in various courts of the country. He is, as observed herein above, before this court, calling in seeking the aforequoted prayer. The second respondent registers a complaint before the State Bar Council. On what date?
30,
On
11,
30/11/2022.
page 23.
On 3/4/2023, it transpires that the Karnataka State Bar Council drops the proceedings against the petitioner.
5/9, I'm sorry, 5/9, page 21.
Then whose synopsis is this?
It is 5/9, I'm sorry.
What is this 3/4/23?
There must be some error, my lord. It is page 21.
State Bar Council rejects the complaint filed by the second respondent invoking section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961. The complainant then files a revision petition before the Bar Council of India invoking section 48 of the Act. Advocates Act, correct. Or 48 of the Act. The Bar Council,
48 capital A.
48 capital A of the Act. The Bar Council of India, in terms of the order impugned, passes a direct suspension.
Revision is filed after 1 year of dismissal.
The complainant prefers a revision petition before the Bar Council of India 1 year after the dismissal of the complaint, invoking section 48 capital A of the Act. The Bar Council of India, notwithstanding the aforesaid delay, which was totally unexplained, passes a resolution in item number 133 of 2024, placing the directing that the petitioner is placed under interim suspension and the license of the petitioner is placing the license of the petitioner under interim suspension for a period of 6 months. After the on passing of the order, the petitioner is before this court. This court grants an interim order of stay on 10/9/2024. During the subsistence of the subject petition, it transpires that the complainant, second respondent who had registered a complaint before the State Bar Council and also who had preferred a revision petition under section 48 capital A before the Bar Council of India, withdraws the very revision petition. With the withdrawal of a revision petition, you filed a memo, and the second respondent has filed a memo on 20th March 2025
before the Bar Council of India.
Before the Bar
Council of India.
The second respondent has filed a memo on 20th March 2025 before the Bar Council of India, and the memo reads as follows.
Your Lordship, my instructions are that the memo has not been received.
No problem. Yes. Memo, what have you filed here?
They have posted it and also sent it as email,
No
but it has not reached the concerned department of revision petition, Your Lordship.
The second respondent files a memo before the Bar Council of India intending to withdraw the revision petition. The memo filed before the Bar Council of India reads as follows. The Learned Counsel for the second respondent Bar Council of India would submit that the memo has not reached the Bar Council of India and therefore they should be permitted to continue the proceedings. The second counsel appearing for the second respondent has filed a memo before this court as well. The memo reads as follows. To the memo is the withdrawal memo that was filed before the Bar Council of India is appended, and the signature of the second respondent is also found in the memo. In that light, the memo that is filed before the Bar Council of India is taken note of, and the proceedings before the Bar Council of India by the revision petitioner revision petitioner has stood withdrawn. Notwithstanding the withdrawal of the it needs to be noticed that the Bar Council of India has passed the impugned resolution on the revision petition filed by the second respondent, the revision petitioner. The revision petitioner today wants to withdraw the revision petition, has filed a memo before the Bar Council of India and before this court as well. Therefore, the foundation on which the Bar Council of India has passed the resolution itself today has tumbled down. In that light, the Bar Council of India cannot now contend that it would want to continue the proceedings, notwithstanding there being nothing before it, as the complainant himself has withdrawn the complaint and as the revision petitioner himself has withdrawn the revision petition and is before this court on the signature of the second respondent complainant that he has withdrawn the revision petition. In that light, nothing further would survive for the Bar Council of India to consider. However, strangely enough, the second respondent counsel who represents the Bar Council of India, the counsel for this first respondent Bar Council of India is wanting to pursue the matter without there being anything pending before it. It is the there is no suo motu power. Yes.
My lord, is akin to 397.
That's all right. Yes. It is a revision petition. Revision powers are never suo motu.
Yes. They only say call for records upon
all right. Yes. So and so. In the light of there being nothing before the Bar Council of India, acceding to the submission of the first respondent Bar Council of India would be acting contrary to law, would be directing something contrary to law. In that light, with there being nothing before the Bar Council of India today, with the second respondent himself withdrawing the revision petition, there is nothing that can be revision petition. The petition deserves to succeed. In that light, the following order: a petition allowed, so and so quashed.
Grateful.